What's up guys? In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at what we need to do to deploy our Gatsby site to a live server. So let's go ahead and jump on into it. Alright guys, so I've got Gatsby open right here and I have the project folder we have been working on right over here. Right off the bat here, this is just listing off some of the things we've already done throughout this tutorial, following along with what Gatsby has. We've created a new site. We've created components and pages. We've styled the components. We've added plugins to the site. We've done some source and transform data. We've used GraphQL to query data for pages, and we've programmatically created pages from our data. So going through this, I just wanted to quickly show you guys what you have to do to basically prepare your site to go live and put it on a real server somewhere. So if we look at everything here, it's going to show you some cool tools you can use and some things you can do. So you can, if you have Chrome, you can audit with Lighthouse. So this will just walk you through exactly how to do it. And all we really want to look at is creating this production build. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up the terminal and I'm going to cd into this folder here, and we'll just open this up some. And all we need to really do to build a production ready version of this site is run Gatsby build. And so if you let this run for a minute, that is actually, oh, and if you already have your development server running, you do have to stop that to run this. But once you do this, it's going to prepare the production version of the site for you. Once that is done, let's go ahead and open up this folder. You're going to see this public folder right here with inside that project. So this is actually all of your static assets. So if you're going to put this on a server anywhere, these are all of the files that you're going to need to upload to that root directory of your server. Okay, so if we jump back over here real quick to the Gatsby tutorials, you'll see that you can actually run another command to view the production version of the site locally. So to do that, you're just going to run Gatsby serve. So I'll pull the terminal up again and just serve this. So it did not have to re-render anything, just like you saw when we did development. It's not going through and rebuilding everything just for a development version. It's just simply creating a server for the production version that we just actually built. So let's go ahead and let's view this on localhost, not port 4000. We're going to go to 9000. And here you go. So this is the production version of the site. Perfect. And you're just viewing it locally. So there are some other things that you can do, and I'm not going to walk through all of those because those are time consuming and they may not apply to everybody. They may not be what everyone needs, but I would encourage you to go here and read through this. Again, you can use Lighthouse to run an audit, and you can actually check the performance of everything so you can see where you're ranking in performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, progressive web. And then you can also do things like add a manifest file, and this is going to start helping with PWAs. So if you walk through this, this is going to help you convert your website so that it's usable as a PWA. So you can actually download this offline. If you're on a phone, that would be, like installing this to your home menu. If you're on iOS, and Androids can do the same thing. And this is going to give you a few plugins here. Like the Gatsby plugin manifest that you can install, set up, walks you through everything right here. You can add offline support, which is actually pretty cool. This might be something that we review a little more in depth in the future during like an actual project if we decide to use Gatsby on that. But it's a really neat thing that you can use, install, set up, and then you can basically allow your site to be used offline. That way if someone doesn't have internet and they saved your site, they can just go on here and go through everything. You can add page metadata. So if you use React Helmet and plugin Gatsby React Helmet, that will allow you to add in some needed meta tags and other information. That's going to help with SEO. And then I think that's actually about it. So that's all that really needs to be done to build your production version of the site. It's just Gatsby build, and if you want to preview that, just run Gatsby serve after it's finished building. And again, any whatever server you're going to put this on, all you need to do is copy all of the contents of this public folder right here and just paste this right into your root of your server. Alright, so that's it. We successfully built a production-ready version of our website, and you are ready to go ahead and post that, or upload that, I should say, to whatever server you want to put that on, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for today. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If it helped you, hit that subscribe button. And if you like the content that I'm creating on this channel, head on over to my Patreon account at patreon.com/Zachary R. Newton, where you can help support this channel and help me create better videos every week. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.